Alright, this one's gonna be, I think, the last video I'm gonna do on Surfraw, unless I find something else. But with Surfraw, if you watch my other two videos, um, you can open it with the command line browser or the GUI browser, and it's a little bit inconvenient to go into the configs and then switch between them. So you can actually make your own aliases. So I show you what it does here. So in the Surfraw itself, they have either you can type in Surfraw to run it, or you can do SR to run it, like I explained in the past, right? And if you put it in alias for that, so let me give you an example here. Yeah, put it in your bashrc or whatever it is, but in here, what you want to do is set the same aliases, alias SR, and you type in SR and then browser, and then the browser that you want, the command line browser. So for example, if you're using, what's that? No, not that. Like W3M, you type in W3M. If you're using a GUI browser and you want to, what was that called? Chromium dash browser, or like Firefox, whatever it is, you type that sucker in. And the good thing about this is that you can still use the autocomplete for all the LVs that they have. So for example, if I save this now, and let me reload it here, right? And if I type in like SR, maybe Wikipedia, and maybe search for Linux or something like that, it's gonna still open with my W3M web browser here, right? Quit out of that. Now if I type in Surfraw, Wikipedia, and then type in Linux, it's gonna open up with my GUI browser, which is my Chromium, and there you go, right? So that's what I like about doing that, is that you can choose between opening up with your GUI browser or your command line browser, because some sites, I just want to open it with my GUI instead of the command line. Just depends on what it is that you have, and that's that. So you can choose between them, and like I said, make sure to name them. How they have it, SR and Surfraw. That's because you can do the autocomplete, and that's what I like about it, right? You know. Anyways, that's it for this one. If you want to do that, just paste that into your bashrc or zshrc or something like that, and no problems there. That'll be it for this one.